Wait, my GFI is not working. What do I do? Well, call an electrician, and this is probably what they will do. Hey everyone, good to see you again. So I got called out to do a job where the customer stated my GFI is not working. So I'm going to show you here the process I took to figure out what the problem was and how you can figure this out for yourself. Here are the tools I brought in with me, which are the same tools I bring in pretty much every service job to start with. You have the Klein multimeter, the Milwaukee 11-in-1 screwdriver, the Milwaukee wire strippers, and the Fluke non-contact voltage detector. First thing you're going to do is press the reset and test buttons. Maybe that's all it takes, and the reset button presses in and holds and everything is fine. Or, like on this call, I press the reset button, it presses in and I feel the spring tension, however it does not hold, and I do not hear any popping sounds that it's functioning correctly. This is typically an indication that you do not have power to that receptacle. The third possibility is that the buttons are stiff and don't do anything. This would indicate that the GFI just simply needs to be replaced. So let's open it up and verify that. And we are correct. Let's open up the panel and see what's going on inside. At first it appears that there are no tripped breakers, but let's take a further look. Well, as you can see, it's kind of a mess. There's a mouse nest in the bottom right corner. This is a 3-phase panel that's being used as a single phase, and several breakers are double tapped, meaning they have more than one wire attached to them, but we'll deal with all that later. I check for voltage on each breaker, from the point where the wire comes in to the neutral bar. Here you see this breaker has 0 volts output. I reset the breaker by turning it off and then back on, and power has now been restored. Let's close it up and try those test and reset buttons again. Those loud pops indicate that it is functioning properly, but let's go ahead and test it just in case. Thank you for watching this video. There will be a link in the description for the tools that I used in case you want to use the same tools yourself. Please subscribe for future content. We have a lot more to come. And hey, stay safe.